tomorrow is the 4th of July. We shot ours this Saturday. I'm going to show you a real short thing of our local fireworks display that we put on here at Hobby Hardwood for friends and family. And I hope y'all enjoy it. We always will shoot a couple of warning mortars in the air to let our neighbors know it's time to come out on the front porch, because we're fixing to have a fireworks show. And then we'll eat and shoot fireworks for several hours. It's a lot of fun. Many folks may not know the story of this flag that's in our building that I proudly fly, that all of our customers, the first thing they see when they walk in, besides me, is this American flag. I worked for the government for 32 years as a civilian rocket scientist. I've got a degree in mechanical engineering with honors. I worked as aerospace engineer. I built some stuff and helped build some stuff you've seen on the Discovery Channel. I got fairly high up the food chain too, let's just put it that way. I worked with pretty much all of the armed services, the Air Force, the Navy, even DARPA. You know, the DARPA with the UFOs kind of things, you know, we cannot confirm or deny there's UFOs, blah, blah, blah. Hey, there goes one right there. And right behind it's Bigfoot. Dang. Too bad I didn't have the camera pointed in that direction. Oh well. I was given this flag as a retirement gift, very proud of it. It flew over the Pentagon, and somehow it made its way all the way to my retirement, and it hangs in the building proudly. Then we'll end up with the grand finale, and that's the part I'm going to put on the video. I hope y'all enjoy it. Happy 4th of July, everybody.